So many kids have coughs right now. Here are 5 things you can do at home if your child's going through it. Try honey if your child is greater than 1, or sips of warm apple juice. Both will help with symptom resolution. Mist air in steamy bathrooms or a humidifier will also help to loosen congestion, and you can pair that with nasal saline and suction. Fluids help a ton with healing and also rehydration when your kids are sick. And lastly, just do your best to rest as much as you can.